If you're having low download speeds in Windows, let me show you how to fix it with a couple of steps. The first thing that you want to go is to go right here into the Windows icon, right click into it, and open the settings menu. Once you are into the settings of Windows, you want to go into Network and Internet. Go into Advanced Network Settings and into More Network Adapter options. Once you are here, if you find yourself with more than one internet connection, you want to click into the one that you are using right now. Right click into it, click into Properties. Once this small window open, you want to go into the Internet Protocol version, or click into Properties, and in here you want to change this part, obtain DNS server address automatically, or use the following DNS server address. Now, for the preferred DNS server, you want to type 1.1.1.1, and into the alternate DNS server, you want to type 1.0.0.1. Now you can click into OK, and to close this window right here and close the control panel setting. Now for the second step, you want to click into the search bar, type CMD. You're going to see right here the command prompt app. Right click into it and set it as Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, you want to type ipconfig/all. Press enter. Now this is going to show you all of these details. I want you to go and to search into the IPv4 address. Select all of these numbers right here and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Once you have done that, you can already close the command prompt, and once more right click into the Start button of Windows, going to Run. Now that you have the Run tab open, now type ping greater than, then paste by using Ctrl+V your IP address that you just copied before. Now less than sign space -T. Now you want to click into OK. When you are done with both of these steps, you can go once more into the command prompt, right click into it and set it as Run as Administrator. And once you open the command prompt, you want to type ipconfig/flush DNS. This is going to flush the DNS cache. Now the last step that you can do, but this is optional, is to download an application to help you guys download a little bit faster. If you want to go into the description down below, I'm going to let you guys the link to the Internet Download Manager. Once you are in here, you want to click Download Internet Download Manager. Once you have it installed in your system, you want to go into Downloads, then Options, go into Connection right here, and you want to change your connection type speed to high-speed linear modem connection, and the default maximal number of connections from 8 to 32, that is the maximal amount. Click into OK, and now save the settings and you can close this window. These are the best options that can make you have faster downloads in Windows. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is always more than welcome. See you on the next time. Bye bye.